Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries. I am doing a box unopening that I haven't done in a long time. It says just for you. It's an influencer box. I haven't gotten influencer in a long time. Why? For those who enjoy these videos, is because when I went to re-put in my YouTube, because I had gotten more subscribers, for some reason Google's not allowing me to put in my YouTube subscriber list anymore, so I have a lot lower influence now, so they don't send me as much boxes anymore. It sucks, but unfortunately it's Google that's doing it, not influencer, and I've already tried communicating with them about it, and there's nothing they can really do because they haven't done anything. So I'm guessing there's nothing they can do about it. So let's get to opening this box since it's very small and there's not a lot in it. And it says fragile liquid, handle with care on the side. So there's fragile and liquid stuff inside. I already opened it right here because I did not read that it was from Influencer. I did not even know I was getting a box. I mean, they sent me the opt-in situation, but they've done that a couple of times and they never sent me boxes, so I just figured I wasn't getting a box anyways. So I opened it up, realized there was products inside, looked at the thing, noticed it was from Influencer. I don't really know what products are inside, I just noticed there was products inside. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. It's a very small box, like smaller than what I'm used to when it comes to any unboxing videos. There's a little pamphlet inside. I keep getting lipstick on my teeth, so if you see me taking lipstick off my teeth, it's because this lipstick keeps going on my teeth, even after dried. So, it tells you I'm not going to wear this lipstick that much longer. Okay, it says Fall Skin Prep VoxBox. Go to app, try products, rock your task, and take your survey, which I always do on Influencer if I can. The items in this box is Belina Co. Believe in the Truth, Clarins, and I'm going to pronounce this wrong, Idole fragrance. I probably butchered that. I am so sorry. And let's see what's in here. We'll do the Belina Co. first. It's the Mr. and Miss Flower Cream. This nourishing cream provides deep moisture and has rejuvenating properties featuring all the benefits of honey. It looks like a little honey cone insert. Let's see if it smells like honey. I don't know how to open it. It does. It smells like honey. I was not expecting that. It looks like there's not going to be a lot of product in here. I mean, maybe. I mean, there's a little, it goes all the way down to here. But doesn't mean that there's that much product. It could be like halfway and it just filled in. Because I've seen things like that happen before. I'm glad to have this. I got tons of moisturizers I have to try, but since this is from Influencer, I have to try it within a month. So I'll be definitely trying it after I wash all of this makeup off, because you should always moisturize your face after washing all the makeup off, because your face can dry up if not. So I'm really excited about this. I like how it smells like honey. I like when things say there's something of particular in them and they actually smell like that particular thing, because I mean, it gets more clarification that yeah, there's probably that inside of it. Alright, believe in the truth. It's this one right here. Oh, it's dirty. With dust particles, not like ew dirty. This is the Aqua Balm Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm, a 3-step texture balm to cream to oil cleansing balm. Gently removes all the traces of makeup while leaving the skin hydrated with no oil or residue feel. That's cool because I have to wash my face after this. It doesn't look like there's a lot of product inside of here. Again, let's open it. It smells nice. It smells really nice. It smells citrusy, in my opinion. So it has a blue tint to it. I don't know if you can tell with this lighting. It's quite terrible. I'm sorry. Oh, that made it worse. Let's see. Apply evenly over face, massage and rinse with water for external use only. Avoid direct contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of children. So I'll be trying this shortly after this video and seeing how well it washes off my makeup. And so far it says effectively removes makeup and impurities, moisturizes and smooths skin after cleansing. Sort of dermatologically tested. I'm surprised I was able to get that word out of my mouth. So I'll be testing this out, and then I'll be testing this out afterwards. Clearance. Ooh, it's a serum. I thought it was going to be a perfume. Clearance. Worldwide bestseller double serum. 21 plant extract for most powerful age control concentrate ever. After 7 days, skin is visibly smoother, firmer, and more radiant. Yeah, well, we'll be the tester of that. I cannot talk today. I'm sorry. Ooh, they're like pads. Hold, press, mix, and apply. After 7 days, skin is 88% visibly smoother, 83% radiant, and 74% visibly firmer. And they come in little packets. So from the looks of it, you like crack it open, like split it open right here in the center. And the liquids come out and you mix them together and then you put them on your face. It says curcuma and turmeric. Not turmeric. Don't even know what that word means. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. So I'll be testing them tonight, one by one for 7 days. And then seeing if it is true, because all girls want firmer skin. So that'd be a nighttime routine for me. So then overnight it continues to work. And then there's the Idol perfume by Lamco. Il del Parfum. A fresh floral fragrance with the notes of rose, jasmine, and white musks. Receive 20% off your Idol fragrance on lucom.com using code BLOCK, just in case they don't want me to give it out. It's in a cute little box. I love the smell of roses. It's my favorite smell next to orange blossoms. And I just love orange blossoms. I lived in a house that had an orange tree behind the house, and it had orange blossoms like every, I think, summer. And this is what the bottle looks like. It's glass. It's cute. But I'm afraid of spilling it. Oh, it smells nice. Definitely flowery. Does not smell like roses, in my opinion. And you just dab some down on your wrist, and then you do this. It's not overpowering. That's what I like about it. It's not overpowering, but it does not smell like rose to me. But maybe with the mix of rose, jasmine, and white musk, it kind of dilutes the smell a little bit, maybe. But I like the bottle. It's cute. It has little grips in the center. Not grips, but like encloves to hold with your fingers, so it's easier for you to grab and take the thing off. So I like that. But will I use it? Most likely, because it's actually a good smell and it doesn't give me a headache, because usually perfumes give me a headache like that. I get headaches real quickly when it comes to perfumes and colognes. So I'm surprised that this one doesn't so far. And I can test this like right now. So I can go ahead on Influencer and review this immediately if I want to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's only 4 small things. They're all tester products. Just gonna put them back in the box so I keep them together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more unboxings from me, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.